What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, fellow entrepreneurs? I know it's been a while, but I am back with a huge, awesome surprise, okay? I managed to get a new location after this long, hectic couple of weeks of trying to figure things out, handling some other family issues. Some shining light came out, and it's a new location, and it's a spectacular location, okay? I'm not even talking about the machine itself. I don't really care too much for the machine. I'll use it for a while. You'll see what I mean when we finally get there. But I am so happy that we finally get this new location. We're gonna drive out there in a few minutes. Well, actually, we gotta get gas first. We gotta get some gas. And it's really, really hot, so probably get some water too. But yeah, I'm back, guys, with this new video. I hope you guys have been doing well. I appreciate everyone that's been sticking around. People watching my videos, asking questions, and giving comments. I really appreciate that. We're doing pretty good with our subscribers. Really, really thank you. And we're gonna get some gas, and then we're gonna go head over to that new location, and I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, we're actually outside of the location right now, and I'll give you a sneak peek as to where it's at. Yeah, that is a hotel. All right, it's a hotel close to the I hope you can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me, the audio. Location actually close to Disney World, but there's a bunch of other resorts and tourist traps and all this stuff around here, and I'll actually give you a view of what's actually close to us right now. All right, so over there is a giant slingshot, Ferris wheel, and I don't know what that thing is. I think people just slide down on a giant rope or something, and then there's a roller coaster over there. So as you can see, it's literally just right next to the hotel. So yeah, I totally forgot to mention that the merchandise, which you'll find out soon, pretty much. The drinks for this machine, I actually got them at Amazon for a really good deal. They're about almost the same price at Sam's. But it was like a couple quarter, like 25 cents different. All right, so a bit of information on this spot. I actually managed to get the location for about $700. It's one machine, and the guy gave it to me at a good deal because he was done. He had about 13 other locations, but he sold them all. This was his last one, so I was just like, sure, let's go. And actually, I found it on Craigslist, and the only thing it said was vending machine. It had no pictures, and I actually clicked on it, and it said on the bottom it was a hotel location, and it was just like, yeah, this has to happen. So I met the guy, gave him the money. I actually gave him $700 in ones, but he understood. He understood where those monies came from, not the strip club. But yeah, so we did that, and so let's actually go show you the machine. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, we're actually here in front of the machine. Before I unveil it, I'm gonna show you a little. You can't really tell, but yeah, poolside inside a giant hotel, and let me show you the machine right here. Yep, Red Bull machine. I know it's kind of messy right now because it's they're doing a lot of construction right now. They're remodeling, so yeah, it's a Red Bull machine, good price, amazing location. Okay, I didn't really buy it because I like Red Bull machines or anything like that. Let me fix the camera. I can't even talk. But yeah, it's mainly the location that I wanted, and I have plans for this location, but I'll talk about those plans soon. Right now, I'll ride with this Red Bull wagon. It's kind of expensive to restock this. I spent a couple $100 on the regular and sugar-free, the 8.4 ounces. They're about $1 something each when you buy them. So this machine, I'll be doing it about $3, about $3 each can. So it's a good profit. But the only problem is it's about 25-minute drive out here, but it's along the way some of the other locations, so it's not too bad. So I'm gonna stock this thing up because it's kind of empty right now, and I'll show the machine when it's stocked with what I was able to purchase, because this thing could take a lot of Red Bull. So I'll see you guys again in a second. All right, guys, that took way longer than expected, but the machine is packed. I know I said I was going to show you the machine while it was packed, but I am actually kind of running late. I got to go return this vehicle to its rightful owner. But a few things I wanted to discuss. I actually don't plan on keeping that Red Bull machine. Okay, the entire purpose of this purchase of this God, I can't even talk. This Red Bull machine location wasn't so much of the vending machine this, vending machine that. It was more of the entrepreneurial aspect. Okay, I want the location. I only wanted the location, planning to sell the Red Bull machine, and I'm gonna actually want to buy a I think it's a Dixie Narco 5191 or around there. It's a larger machine with the option of like 100 more options of choices of product. Okay, I just don't want to be stuck on Red Bull. When I do purchase this machine and make the swap and all that stuff, because people here are pretty cool. As long as there's Red Bull energy drinks, we're good. So there's gonna be Red Bull energy drinks, the larger, smaller sizes, different flavors: peach, orange, mango. There's gonna be some of the new Bang stuff. There's gonna be Monster, all that, coffee drinks, just different options, because this place is loaded with people day in, day out, 24/7. There's people coming in. I went to check in there for the cash, and it was already like stacked. And it's only been, not so long since I got the machine, and the guy took out his wad of cash, and this is like, now I got my own stack of cash in there. So it's doing pretty good. I can just imagine having more options besides Red Bull. Okay, so yeah, guys, I am back. I'll be having another video coming up pretty soon. Collections video needs to happen. And I appreciate everyone that's been subscribing, watching my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button. I really appreciate that. Any questions, comments, concerns, hit the talk to me in the comments below. And definitely subscribe to the channel. There'll be plenty more videos coming up. For those people that were concerned, I'm okay. Things happen, things are good. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy and stay safe.